I'm going to be showing you what bindable events are for in Roblox. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to View, open up Explorer and Properties, and Output. Next, I'm just going to make two scripts. So I'm going to go to Server Script Service, insert a script. I'm going to select it, I'm going to press Ctrl D, and I'm going to name this one Script 2. Next, I'm going to right click Server Script Service again, insert Object, and then insert a bindable event. Now what bindable events are for is for cross-script communication, meaning that if this script wanted to tell this other script something, we could use a bindable event for that. So for an example, I'm going to wait 3 seconds, script.parent.event fire, and then I'm going to make it say something cool and extremely awesome. Next, I'm going to go to script 2, and then script.parent waferchild.event connect function, and then the data that was sent, and then we're going to print that. So this is going to do, we got the first script is going to wait 3 seconds. It's going to tell this event something cool and extremely awesome. Script 2 is going to listen for that event, and then it's going to print that out. So if we press play here, we wait 3 seconds, and then script 2 ends up printing that because this script told the event that. And that's how bindable events work in Roblox. Make sure to slap that like button and punch the subscribe button. Peace.